Millionaires don't choose motorhomes like this to escape their lives. They choose them to extend their lifestyle without lowering their standards. This motorhome is designed for people who want freedom without sacrificing comfort, elegance, or control. And that philosophy begins even before you step inside. Underneath the body, this motorhome is supported by a heavy-duty suspension system engineered for stability, balance, and ride comfort. Advanced air suspension continuously adjusts to road conditions, automatically leveling the vehicle and absorbing vibrations before they reach the cabin. That suspension system is what allows this motorhome to feel calm instead of bulky. It reduces body roll, keeps the vehicle planted at highway speeds, and ensures that the interior remains quiet and composed over long distances. For a luxury motorhome of this size, that stability is essential. Without it, no interior design would matter. From the outside, the motorhome makes a strong but elegant statement. The deep red exterior immediately sets it apart. It feels celebratory, romantic, and premium, not aggressive, not flashy. Its presence speaks for itself. As you step inside, the interior instantly reflects the same refined attitude. The space feels intimate, warm, and thoughtfully designed. The color palette blends champagne beige surfaces with wine red and burgundy accents, finished with subtle brushed gold details. The lounge area is designed for comfort and closeness rather than scale. Instead of large seating arrangements, a compact lounge setup creates a cozy place to relax, talk, or share a meal. Cushioned seating in soft tones feels welcoming without dominating the space. A small table sits within easy reach, topped with a simple flower vase that adds a touch of life without clutter. Black tinted windows surround the lounge, maintaining privacy while still allowing daylight to filter in. Soft ceiling lighting keeps the space evenly illuminated, making the lounge feel relaxed during the day and intimate at night. It's a space designed to slow down and enjoy the moment. Moving into the kitchen, the motorhome shifts from comfort to functionality without losing its elegance. This is a compact galley kitchen built exactly the way a high-end motorhome should be. Champagne beige cabinetry runs cleanly along one wall, paired with a matte black countertop that adds contrast and durability. Every element is integrated seamlessly. The cooktop, sink, and storage are all built into the cabinetry, keeping the layout clean and efficient. Warm under-cabinet lighting provides focused illumination for cooking while also enhancing the overall mood of the space. That a small fold-out dining setup allows for intimate meals without permanently occupying floor space. Seating tucks away neatly when not in use, preserving a clear walkway through the motorhome. It's a practical solution that fits perfectly with the motorhome's compact philosophy. As you move deeper inside, you reach the dedicated office cabin. This is not a temporary workspace or a converted dining table. It's a proper office designed for real work on the road. A wall-integrated desk provides a stable surface, finished in dark tones that reduce glare. An open laptop sits on the desk, ready for use, reinforcing that this space is meant for productivity. Overhead cabinets and side drawers provide storage for documents and essentials, keeping the desk clear and organized. A compact ergonomic chair offers real support, making long working sessions comfortable. Burgundy accents appear subtly behind the desk and in upholstery details, tying the office visually to the rest of the interior. Lighting in the office is layered and intentional. Soft ambient lighting keeps the space comfortable, while a focused task light illuminates the desk area. A black-tinted window with an integrated blind allows natural light without distractions, maintaining both focus and privacy. The dressing area feels private, refined, and personal. Full-height cupboards line the space, with some doors partially open to reveal hanging clothes inside. Warm LED lighting inside the wardrobes highlights the fabrics and keeps everything visible and organized. A slim vanity shelf sits against the wall, paired with a softly backlit mirror. A burgundy upholstered stool fits neatly beneath the vanity, adding comfort and color. In the remaining free space, a compact cosmetics rack holds perfumes and makeup, making the area feel lived in rather than staged. The dressing area is compact, but every element serves a clear purpose. The rear, the bedroom continues the motorhome's realistic and elegant approach. This is not a futuristic pod or a sculptural bed. Instead, the room features a normal, rectangular hotel-style double bed designed purely for comfort. The bed feels familiar and inviting, grounded in practicality rather than design trends. Champagne beige cabinetry surrounds the space, while wine-red bedding and cushions add warmth and romance. Brushed gold accents appear subtly in hardware and lighting fixtures. Black tinted windows with soft curtains ensure privacy while allowing gentle daylight when desired. Lighting in the bedroom is calm and flexible. Warm ceiling lighting provides general illumination, while simple bedside reading lights support nighttime use without overpowering the room. The result is a bedroom that feels cozy, real, and restful, a place where you can truly relax. The bathroom carries the same compact luxury into a functional spa-like space. Despite its size, it includes everything needed for daily comfort. A glass-enclosed shower sits alongside a floating vanity with an integrated sink. A compact wall-mounted commode is positioned efficiently, making the most of the available space. Lightstone surfaces keep the bathroom bright, while champagne beige cabinetry and subtle burgundy accents add warmth. Brushed gold fixtures bring continuity with the rest of the interior. Warm golden lighting and a softly backlit mirror create an intimate, spa-like atmosphere without feeling excessive. Finally, the cockpit at the front of the motorhome completes the experience. The driver's area feels refined and familiar, with comfortable seating, a well-organized dashboard, and excellent visibility through the windshield. Subtle ambient lighting adds a premium touch without distracting from driving. This motorhome is not about excess. It's about balance. Advanced suspension provides stability and comfort. The exterior expresses romance and celebration. The interior remains compact, realistic, and beautifully coordinated that it's designed for couples who want to travel together in comfort, privacy, and style, whether for a honeymoon, extended journeys, or simply a different way of living. The question is simple. Could you imagine starting your journey in a motorhome like this? If you enjoyed this walkthrough, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more luxury motorhomes, and share your thoughts in the comments below.